Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by assembling chilled tools and measured ingredients so your cream whips quickly and holds structure. Place a metal bowl and whisk in the fridge for 10-15 minutes. Keep heavy cream at about 34-40 degrees F. Pour 2 cups cream, add 1/2 cup powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Start whipping on medium speed. Once soft peaks form, pause to check texture because this controls stability. Move faster as peaks firm, but stop before grainy texture develops to avoid buttering. Once you have soft peaks, stabilize the whipped cream so it holds between layers and in warm kitchens. Fold in 1-2 tablespoons instant vanilla pudding powder or 2 ounces softened cream cheese. This adds structure without altering flavor much. Trim cake layers level, then spread about 1 cup of stabilized cream between each layer and press lightly to eliminate air gaps. Apply a thin crumb coat around the assembled cake to lock crumbs in place, and make sure to chill the cake for 10-15 minutes before applying the final frosting. Now you finish by applying the final layer of stabilized whipped cream. Use an offset spatula or piping tip to create smooth sides or decorative rosettes. Smooth with a bench scraper while turning the cake for clean lines, then transfer to the fridge and chill 30-60 minutes so the cream sets and slices cleanly. Decorate with fresh berries or chocolate just before serving. If the cream begins to weep, chill the cake immediately and gently re-whip a small portion of cream to refresh and patch thin spots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.